Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I want to tell you what my 29th item is. It is my bed rack. It is the Kreboc bed rack. Right now it's covered with the panels and everything, so you really can't see it, but I'll post some photos from the past and you'll be able to see what the bed rack look like. From the rear, you can see right there, it's the bed rack frame. You see right there. That is my 29th item, is the bed rack, the Kreboc bed rack, I believe. You could sort of see the logo. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time. This is once again my 29th item, the Kreboc bed rack. Stay tuned for more. Peace.